Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram not working or autoback problem in iPhone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to App Store and then search Instagram. Search for Instagram. Update your Instagram apps in latest version. Just click on update option and then wait for completing update process. After completing update process, now go to settings option and then scroll down, go to general option, then go to iPhone storage option. Now find Instagram from the app list, click on Instagram option. Now upload your Instagram app, click on upload option, again click on upload option. Now reinstall Instagram apps, click on reinstall app option. Now wait for completing the process. After completing reinstall process, now restart your device and then open Instagram. Now see, problem solved successfully. If still problem remaining, then follow next step to fix this issue. Go to App Store again and then search Instagram. Click on Instagram app icon, scroll down and here you will see app support option. Click on app support option. Click on three line icon from the top of right and then go to privacy and reporting option. Click on report something on Instagram and then scroll down. Click on report it here option. Scroll down again. Here you can see a question, was this helpful? Just click on no option. Click on the solution does not work. Click on select. Here describe your problem in details. After describe your problem, now click on submit. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved successfully.